Hanijemi is just enough and step by step. So it's good for beginner. If I can do this, I'm sure you can do this too. Let's try!
안녕하세요. 한이재미 배가령 선생님입니다. 오늘은 특별한 비디오를 준비했는데요. I prepared to special video for basic level. 라키아를 소개하겠습니다. 라키아!
Hello! Hi everyone. My name is Rakia, like Kia 자동차. And I'm so excited and so happy to have been invited to Hanijemi YouTube channel to help shoot the introduction, basic level Korean grammar sentence structure videos. I'm originally from Toronto, Canada. I've been living in Korea for about 5 years, but still my Korean speaking skill and sentence structure grammar is not that great. So I would like to join you, beginners who are learning Korean, and maybe we can help each other. If I can do this, I'm sure you can do this too. And this is our wonderful teacher who is very patient. So I'm excited. Let's try.
Let's try.
This is our introductory video. So we are together and we will do like a physical real time. However, going forward, you know, we all have busy schedules. We actually live in different cities. So we'll be continuing each lesson on Zoom. Zoom is fun. And we will, step by step, build our Korean language basics foundation until we can, you know, pass those topic exams and KIIP. Beginners, we have a long way to go, but it's not impossible.
Right.
가자!
Not impossible. I will share the lecture video for you.
Wow. Amazing. I have different types of Korean language textbooks, even beginners. But I really like this textbook in particular because there are cute and wonderfully designed characters. That really motivates me because I know when I was learning to read, I didn't like so many words. I liked comic books. So having these characters, each are very special and unique, and they have special names that are very useful for practicing the grammar. Really helps. And one excellent point in this book is that each page is not overloaded. There's not too many words, too many explanations. And the unit is very short. So when you're doing your homework, you can do it. It's just a few pages. Phew! It's good. I recommend it. So we decided to start with this basic level book. And let's go together. And there's enough space in the margin so you can write your own notes.
Other book is grammar. Is not connect in sentence.
I see.
Our book in Korean sentence structure completely understand and choice and put in the sentence structure.
I see. So it's giving us a good frame.
Right.
Frame.
Yeah.
And you can almost put your own ideas, any ideas, and just fill in the blank. I see it.
Not destroy the sentence structure. Yeah.
Okay. Very good. So for the special point of our Hanijemi textbook is that different from many other beginner Korean books is that it starts simple and it instead of jumping to random grammar in Unit 2 and Unit 3 and 4, it's just like really just the next step up, and it provides a very solid frame. So you can literally mix and match, pick and choose your subject, your noun, your ideas, and just fill them in. And even though this is very basic, I think when you're learning any language, you need to drill the basic into your brain's subconscious. So I like Hanijemi for beginners because the frame is there, it's simple to follow, and the little nuance or like iga or it's explained as well. So it's not too much. Why I stopped studying other Korean textbooks is because it became so overwhelming, too much at one time. Hanijemi is just enough and step by step. So it's good for beginner.
Yeah, and sentence structure is very strong point learning language. So if you study with 한이재미 textbook, you can speak Korean confidently. I'm sure.
Really?
아키아는 한국에 왜 오게 됐는지 물어볼게요.
Wow. Well, it's a long story, but I'll give you the summary, short version. I first came to Korea about 5 years ago. I was an exchange student in Seoul, and I studied for a short time. I left, went back home to Canada, and then I returned to Korea 1 year later as an English teacher. And I've been living in Korea and teaching English since then. And I would say, even though I wasn't able to speak Korean fluently, I live in a place where it's a little bit of a small town. So I had a lot of opportunities to listen to Korean from our 할머니es, bus stop 할머니, 시장 할머니, taxi 아저씨. I heard a lot of Korean from them. So my listening skill is quite all right. It's quite good. But because of teaching English every day, I didn't get many experience to practice speaking Korean. I didn't need to. All I need to do is speak English, right, to work. But now I'm in a little bit of a different season where I'm preparing for a different type of visa. So I realized I do need to have a higher level of Korean that I can communicate and work even in Korean if I want to stay here long term. So that's why I started to focus on my Korean studies, and I realized I'm missing a lot of basic foundations. So that's why I'm here. That's why maybe you're here too. And let's study together in a fun, relaxed, but still studious way. And I'm so happy. Actually, it's really hard for me to study alone. But with others, with community together, I'm sure we can reach our goals and our milestones one by one, step by step. So thank you. 어서 오세요!
어서 오세요.